In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Save to Notion browser extension to quickly save web pages, articles, and other content directly into your Notion workspace. Let's get started. Open the Chrome Web Store and search for Save to Notion. Install the extension, then pin it to your browser toolbar for easy access. After installation, sign in with your Notion account and authorize the extension to access your workspace. When you find a web page you want to save, click the Save to Notion extension icon. Choose the Notion page or database where you want to store the content. You can use the search box to quickly find the right destination. Before saving, you can edit details such as the title, tags, notes, or other database properties if your template includes them. Click Save, and the page will be added to your selected Notion page or database. Open Notion to confirm that your content has been saved successfully. Using the Save to Notion extension is a quick way to collect research, articles, bookmarks, and ideas without leaving your browser. That's how to capture anything with Save to Notion. Thanks for watching.